My name is Dao Anh Khanh. I'm artist from Vietnam. Before I'm be artist, I'm working for police. I am police undercover. My job is checking art and control art and artists. In that time, 18 years, very long. Then I feel my life no more meaning. They say I'm stupid. Too long. Then I think I'm stupid. But I still need to live. But no energy. Exhausted. When I'm young, I love nature. I love to paint. I love art. So maybe in my soul, my mind, that kind of energy still there. Same like everyone. So I know what I need to go. I have to get out police right after finish study arts college. In 20 years being artist, I organized about 40 shows in Vietnam and in the world. But all the show I do, always free entry. I never selling even one ticket, but I'm happy to look at people happy. That's the biggest I get back. Dao Xuan International Festival we organize in Valley. The valley is beautiful for art, for people can come and share each other and create and making new world with powerful of freedom of what they like to do. And the valley is 50 hectares with beautiful nature, mountain, river, forest. It's amazing valley. Landscape so wonderful. I want 20,000 people be here with the 200 artists to free the mind, freedom express their soul, energy, talented, be with nature, be with art, be together. Hold the audience, hold the artists, coming up with the powerful, beautiful energy at same time. Then we hug, we kiss, we share the heart together, making the day of love. When the people moving and joy in the festival, the music no stop in 24 hours. Artwork everywhere. Everyone contribute together, make this dream, our dream, become true. In Vietnam, but I think this is the picture for the world. But the first of all, we need to have a big stage because here we bring 20,000 people come. We need to have big stage. We need to have a lot of equipment for people happy, listen and watching. So the show we need right now community, big community to make the hand together to help us. At least can build the state. Just art, just love, just nature. That's the thing. You want to contribute with us? Share with us? Please, right now, help us.